Let me confirm. Appointment with Dr. Sarah Johnson on Sunday, February 8th at 9 a.m. for John Smith. Phone 1-660-243-3560. Is this correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Your appointment is confirmed. Booking ID, your confirmation number.
This when I was 18 and tomorrow I turn 19. So I wanted to document what happened in my 18th year. My name is Bharath. I am from Hyderabad. I currently finishing diploma in ECE. I am not from a big college or tech background. Past year I was curious about programming and technology. So I started learning C programming, then Java and Python. For a long time ago I didn't have a laptop. I was started building and started learning in Termux in mobile. Later I became curious about AI. So I started learning Python topics like natural language processing, tokenization, STEM, etc. Instead of just watching tutorials, I wanted to build something. Then I started building projects like Bharath AI, Memories to Lyrics Generator, and Bharath AI. Bharath AI was a simple and easy detector, and Memories to Lyrics Generator is a lyric generator which we can generate from memories. Expected turning point. Interestingly, the idea of VoxCare was not a startup idea. It actually started from a small client project. A BTech student contacted me with a simple website with a voice button and it can book appointments. At first I thought the price was very low, but it helped me to learn how voice can book appointments. While I was building that website, I realized something interesting. If a simple button can help how patient can book appointment, maybe a full AI system could automate entire working appointment flow. The idea slowly turned into what I was building right now, VoxCare AI. Goal is simple. Patients should be able to interact with an AI system and book appointment without needing manual coordination from clinic staff. In the project, I started experimenting more seriously. Then I built two types of flows. First is voice flow. The first interactant method was voice. Patient can call the clinic number and talk to the AI assistant. System asks simple questions like patient details, available time, etc. Based on the responses, the system guides through the process of booking appointment. Then I build a WhatsApp flow. In India, many patients already message on WhatsApp for a booking appointment to the clinic number. A system where patient can send a message, then AI respond automatically. Necessary details and help booking step by step. So instead of relying on manual calls and manual messaging, our hospital can use a system that handles these instructions automatically. As the system I started building as a VoxCare AI. Building technology is the only half of my journey. The real challenge is the real world. Clinics are busy environments, are fully focused on patients. The receptionist are handling many tasks at once. Clinics with new technology are naturally cautious. Right now I am visiting clinics and explaining the system, seeing how their actual workflow was. This journey taught me a few important lessons. Building real world projects can help more than the tutorials. Sometimes a smaller project can reveal a bigger problem. You don't need to a perfect background to start building things. Right now I'm still in early stage. The system is production ready. The validation only comes from when real clinics uses it. My focus is simple: talk to the users, improve system building. I'm turning 19, so before that happens, I wanted to document what happened in my 18th year. The journey of living and building things was absolutely great. Watching, bye bye.